Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to change the sound of notifications, we need to open settings, scroll down and go to sound and vibration. And then over here we have notifications, so we can tap on this bell. Now over here we can switch to my account and then go to ringtones. Now of course it says ringtones, but you shouldn't worry about this. Now over here we can scroll down and we should be able to find different ringtones and notification sounds as well. They are mixed over here together, and you can tap on the ringtone, or actually the sound, in order to hear the preview. If you decide to use a certain sound, then what you can do is press apply on the right side and then choose notification over here. If there is this speaker, this orange speaker icon below the title of the ringtone, then it means that this sound is used as a notification sound. In addition to that, you can also go to home, and over here you have the store where you can find many different ringtones and sounds that you can use for notification as well. They are free, or at least mostly free. I haven't found anything paid yet. So you can scroll through these different notification sounds or ringtone sounds as well and decide to use them. And if you find something that you wish to use, let's say as an example, I'm gonna use this one over here. So what you need to do is tap on this bell on the right side, and then over here it will say to select this as a ringtone, and of course you can press OK and proceed. And then later on you can go back to the ringtones and then change your ringtone back, but set the sound as notification instead. And it is quite inconvenient, but it seems to be the only way to actually change this. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.